There are big changes coming to Google Voice. Whether you have free Gmail or Google Workspace, the premium version of Google Workspace Starter, Standard, Education, Nonprofit, Enterprise. There's changes coming to Google Voice. If you already have a Google Voice phone number, whether it's with Gmail or Google Workspace, Starter, Standard, Education, Enterprise, or Nonprofit, you're okay as long as you're using it. Because if you let that Google Voice number sit idle, the application is going to alert you that you're going to lose the Google Voice number in 30 days. And then you'll get another notice you're going to lose it in 7 days. And then if you don't use the Google Voice number for inbound, outbound, or text messaging, you lose the phone number. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to want to get a Google Voice number, or if you do, in fact, want to get a Google Voice number. And then when you go to Google Voice, you're going to get this. You're going to get a professional grade phone. Now, I can sign in and try to set up Google Voice on this account, and I'll show that to you in a minute. But what's going to happen eventually is you're going to end up paying $10 a month if you're adding Google Voice to your Gmail, or $10 a month per user per month to your Google Workspace plan for up to 10 users or unlimited number of users. So bottom line is, if you want your Google Voice number, you have to use it or you'll lose it. Now, just another point of interest, I used to have a Google Voice number on this account. And now it says, hey, to call and text, I've got to get a Google Voice number. When I click on get a number, it'll let me choose a number, but it's going to want to verify that number. Today, it's going to want to verify that number against a cell phone number. So when I click verify and I put my cell phone number in here and I hit send code, it'll send me the code, but what's going to happen is it's going to realize that that number I'm trying to link to is already associated to another Google Voice number. And the system will not let me use a linked cell phone number with a new Google Voice number. Google's really trying to tighten this down so that they can do two things. One is manage the spammers, manage the scammers who are using Google Voice numbers to harass the world. The second thing is that they're trying to move it to Google Voice being an add-on product so that they can charge extra for it. So the bottom line is, if you have a Google Voice number today, use it or lose it. And if you want to add a Google Voice number later on, then you need to plan on paying $10 a month per Google Voice number associated with a Gmail account, or per user per month for up to 10 users. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I hope this information is helpful for you.